What if the biggest threat to your future isn't inflation, isn't debt, but something you already use every single day? AI is changing the world faster than most people realize. Millions of Americans are already using it at work, at school, and even in their personal lives. But behind the convenience and hype, there's a darker side that almost nobody is talking about. Jobs are quietly disappearing, fake information is spreading faster than ever, and some experts believe we're entering the most disruptive economic shift in modern history. And the scary part? Most people won't notice it until it's too late. Welcome back to the Dollar Pilot. Artificial intelligence has become one of the biggest economic forces in America today. From Wall Street to Silicon Valley, companies are investing billions into AI technology because it can increase productivity, reduce labor costs, and automate tasks that once required human workers. But while investors are celebrating record profits and tech stocks are surging, many ordinary Americans are starting to feel nervous about what this technology could mean for their future. For years, automation mainly affected factory jobs. But AI is different. This time, white-collar jobs are also being affected. Customer service representatives, data analysts, graphic designers, writers, and even software engineers are beginning to see AI tools perform tasks that once required years of training. That doesn't necessarily mean all jobs will disappear overnight, but it does mean the labor market is changing rapidly. Companies are now asking a simple question: can AI do this job faster and cheaper? And in many cases, the answer is yes. This is one reason why so many Americans feel uncertain about job security right now. Even highly educated workers are realizing that no industry is completely safe from technological disruption anymore. At the same time, AI is creating a new kind of economic divide. The people who own AI companies, invest in AI stocks, or understand how to use these tools effectively could benefit enormously over the next decade. Meanwhile, workers who fail to adapt may struggle to compete in a changing economy. This is why AI is becoming one of the most important financial topics in America today. But jobs are only part of the story. Another major concern is misinformation. AI-generated images, videos, and voices are becoming so realistic that many people can no longer tell what's real and what's fake online. Deepfake technology can now imitate politicians, celebrities, and even ordinary people with shocking accuracy. That creates serious risks for financial scams, political manipulation, and public trust. Imagine receiving a phone call that sounds exactly like a family member asking for money. Or imagine fake news spreading across social media during an election or stock market panic. These scenarios are no longer science fiction. They are already happening. And because AI content spreads so quickly online, misinformation can travel faster than facts. This is one reason why many experts believe digital literacy will become one of the most important skills of the future. Americans will need to think more critically about the information they consume online. But there's another side to this conversation that often gets ignored. AI is also changing human behavior itself. Many people are becoming increasingly dependent on algorithms for entertainment, shopping decisions, investing advice, and even emotional support. Social media platforms already use AI systems designed to maximize attention and engagement. The longer people stay online, the more money platforms make from advertising. This creates a powerful incentive to keep users constantly distracted. Some researchers worry this could increase anxiety, loneliness, and mental fatigue, especially among younger generations like Gen Z, who already spend huge amounts of time online. And then there's the financial side. AI has become one of the hottest investment trends in the stock market. Companies connected to artificial intelligence have seen massive stock price increases over the last few years. Investors are pouring money into AI stocks because they believe this technology will dominate the future economy. But history shows that whenever excitement becomes too extreme, financial bubbles can form. We saw it during the dot-com bubble in the late 1990s. We saw it during the crypto boom. And now some analysts are asking whether parts of the AI market may be overheating. That doesn't mean AI isn't revolutionary. It probably is. But it does mean investors should stay rational instead of blindly chasing hype. At the Dollar Pilot, the goal is not fear, it's awareness. Because despite the risks, AI also creates enormous opportunities. Americans who learn new skills, understand technology, and stay financially adaptable could benefit significantly from this transition. Businesses will still need human creativity, leadership, communication, and critical thinking. The economy will evolve, just like it always has during previous technological revolutions. The key is preparation. This is why financial education matters more than ever. Understanding investing, building multiple income streams, improving digital skills, and staying adaptable may become essential survival tools in the modern economy. The people who succeed in the AI era probably won't be the people who panic the most. They'll be the people who learn the fastest. And perhaps the biggest lesson of all is this: technology itself is not automatically good or bad. It depends on how society chooses to use it. AI could improve healthcare, increase productivity, and create entirely new industries. But it could also increase inequality, misinformation, and economic uncertainty if it's left completely unchecked. That's why this conversation matters. Because the future of AI isn't just about machines. It's about people, jobs, money, and the future of the American economy itself. And whether we realize it or not, that future is already here. If you enjoyed this breakdown, make sure to subscribe to the Dollar Pilot for more deep dives into the economy, investing, inflation, AI, personal finance, and the financial trends shaping America today.